Every group has one person who eat a lot but is still thin and lean, and you think he is so lucky. But no, my friend, his metabolism is strong. That's why his food gives his energy, and your is low. That's why the food became fat in your body. Are you want to boost your metabolism? So let's start. In this video I will show you 7 ways to boost metabolism and 16 foods. So let's start with 7 ways. So first is egg or protein. Increase spicy food. Get vitamin D more. Have your cup of tea in the morning. Moving around. Have a complete proper sleep is important. Have fiber in your breakfast. Green tea, if you want to know how to make it, go and watch my video. Spices, add spices in your food. Seeds and nuts. Flax seeds. Whole grain. Citrus fruits. Water is so important. I know it's not food, but it's important. Now almond, broccoli, some dry beans, berries, garlic, apple in the morning. Tasty soup. Now this is very important. No sugar or cut down sugar. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If this video helpful for you guys, so please subscribe this channel. I make videos like this, and do like my video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.